Hello everyone, this is lecture 390. In the previous lecture we have discussed the method 1 and method 2 to find out the earthwork in cutting and filling. So there is another formula which you can use, that is called the prismoidal formula. So quantity will be L by 6 chain edge length, A1 plus A2 plus 4am, where A1 is the cross section area at one end and A2 is the cross section area at another end. AM is the mid sectional area, that is average of both area. A1 is equal to BD1 plus SD1 square, A2 is BD2 plus SD2 square, and AM is nothing, B the average of D1 plus D2 plus S D1 plus D2 by 2 ka whole square. So you can calculate the quantity, and if you make something like this in formula, put in the formula, then you will find this will be summarized as B D1 plus D2 by 2 plus S D1 square within bracket D2 square plus 2 D1 D2 divided by 3 and with it closed and multiply by L. That is sectional area of central portion plus sectional area of side slope portion. This is side slope portion का addition है और multiply by L. This you can say. But if you suppose you fall for different cross section area A0, A1, A2, A3 to AN, then D is the distance between the section, then V you can calculate D by 3, A0 plus, that is first and the last, and 4 odd, this is your 4 times you can send odd areas plus 2 times even area, that is A2, A4, A6. So we have written D by 3 first area and last area summation, and 4 odd area plus 2 even area. This can be done like this. So if you face any problem something like that, you can utilize these formulas. Otherwise that formula BD plus SD square and average depth you can go for. So we have taken example. Suppose for any chainage, this can be 10, 11, 12, 13 of 30 meter chainage is there, and the RL of ground is depicted over here, and RL of formation you can find out. This is given 107 at this point, and then downward 1 to 50 up to 14, and again downward 1 in 100 for the rest of the chainage. So you can have the RL of ground 105, 105.6, 105.44, 105.90, 105.42, 104.30 and 105, and like that 104.70, 104.60, 104, 103.30. So RL of formation will be 107, then this will be reduced by 0.2. This is given 1 by 50, so this will be reduced by 120. This is 16.10, 16.6, 16.4, 16.2, this up to here. Then this will diminished by 0.3, so 1.6.2 minus 3, this is 105.90. This is 100.56, 100.53, this is 100.05 only, and this 104.70, this is 104.40. So these are the differences of the RL of ground and formation. This is 2, this is in filling. 1.2, this is also filling. These all are in filling. 1.6, 1.5, 0.578, 1.6, 0.6, 1.2, 0.38, 0.7, 1.3, because the RL of formation is above the RL of ground. So we have put the station over here. This is height and depth, that is we have got it. This is formation 2, 1.2, this like this, and the mean we have taken 2 and 1.2, that is 1.6, 1.2, 1.6, this is 1.2, this 1.6.83, this 0.578, this is 0.64, 0.7, 1.6, this is 1.9, 1.6.1.1, 0.6, this is 0.9, 1.38, this is 0.79, 0.38, 0.7, 0.54, 0.71, this is 0.9. So this is the main D we have find out. Now you multiply B is the 10 meter by D, so you will get these values. This is 11.8, 10, and this SD square, S is 2, so 2 multiply by your D square, you will get these values, and after BD square plus HG square will be whole area, this will be, and this 30 chains will be multiplied, will give you total quantity, that is 3513.6. So in this way, whenever you want to plot the longitudinal section, you can make a formation level 100 and you can put this, and you can 107 something like that, this is something like that, this is way, this way. In this way you can plot for different way. This may be something like that, this, or this may be in this way, maybe in this way. If you plot these things, you will find the formation, and the formation level will be maybe something like this, maybe in this way. This is your formation level will be, this is your ground level, you can plot, and the difference you can put on to get the earthwork in excavation. So you can plot it by putting it 100 datum, you can, and these values 105, 105.6, this can you put over here, and the formation level you can make, and the difference you can plot like this. So in this way you can go for the earthwork equation, and you can also calculate the side area, which is your nothing, that is 2L into root over S square plus 1 into D. This will give you, this is lateral side you can calculate for pitching work and all. So we'll have another class for this. Thank you for being with me. Thank you very much.